Welcome everyone to the online course Essential of Database Management System. In previous video lecture, we discussed domain relational calculus. In this presentation, we are going to discuss relational algebra. What is meant by relational algebra? It is a procedural query language used to query relational databases. It uses two operators, unary and binary. It uses a set of operations that takes one or more relation as an input and produce new relation as an output. There are different type of relation operation. Selection operation, project operation, union operation, set intersection, set difference, Cartesian product, and renaming operation. We'll discuss one by one. First, start with the select operation. It is represented by sigma. It retrieves the record that satisfies given predicate from the relations. So the notation is sigma then followed by preposition logic formula then followed by relations. For example, to retrieve the record from employee where job is manager, then how to represent here? Sigma then followed by condition. Job equal manager then followed by the relation name employee. And example, one more example. Retrieve the record from employee where the job manager and the department is 20. The sigma followed by the conditions. Job equal manager and department equal 20, then followed by employee. And next one is the project operation. Here project columns that satisfy the given predicate. By default, the projection remove all the duplicate data. So how to represent notation here? Pi, then followed by attribute name of the relation. A1, A2, till AN, then followed by relation name. For example, to select and project the column name, for example, e-name and job from employee table. Then how to represent here? Pi, then followed by the column name, for example, e-name, then job, based on the conditions. Based on you want, then you can mention particular column name, e-name, job, then followed by the relation name. And next one is the union operation. It performs binary union between two relations. For example, R is the relation and S is the relation. So we are going to use the operation between the two relations. The following condition must hold from both relations to make a union operation is true. The relation R and S should have the same number of attributes. The attributes domain value must be compatible. The duplicate record will be eliminated automatically. We'll discuss with. There are two relations, A and B. So here we are going to apply the union operation between relation. So what is the union operation? It will merge the two relations and remove the duplicate. So here 30 is duplicate. It is considered only one. The remaining duplicate is removed. And next one is set intersection. The set intersection operation contains all the tuples that are in both relation A and B. So what is the meaning of set intersection? It will consider only the common parameter in both relations. So the common parameter is 30. That will be different. The next operation, set difference. The result of set difference operation is tuples which are present in one relation but are not in the second relation. For example, A minus B. So here it will consider the first relation, not in the second relation. So 30C, it is already appear in the second relation, that is not considered. And 10, that is only in the first relation, it is considered. And 20B, it is in the first relation, it is considered. Suppose B minus A. Here 30C, already it is available in the A relation, so it is not considered. The 40, it is in the B relation, it is considered. And 50 in the B relation, that is considered. That will be print as a result. And next one is Cartesian product. It will combine the information of two different relations into one. Here, for each and every record in the first query, and all the record will be executed in the second query. So, for example, relation A. So here each and every record in the relation A, and all the records will be executed on the relation B. Then finally, it will print as a result. Renaming operations. So that is represented row. The rename operation allows us to rename the output relation. So the notation is row, then followed by that is the variable name is x, then followed by e. So that is the expression where the result of the expression e is saved with the name of x. The rename is a unary operation used for renaming attribute in the relations. I hope that you understood this concept.